Good morning, guys, and by good morning I mean it is 1, but I just got done getting ready, so good morning to me. If you're new here, hello, my name is Courtney Raine. I post videos about beauty and fashion and pretty much just about my life, so that's about it. Like, this is like, honestly, my YouTube channel is just like a big diary of my life, so if you're new, I hope you would stick around for today's video. Basically, okay, being like dead honest, I'm just craving cookies. I have been watching cooking like videos all day, baking videos. That's basically what I was watching while I was putting on my makeup, and I was like, you know what? I'm really digging some cookies right now. So I'm gonna go to Giant Eagle, go pick some up, and I just figured I would go ahead and kind of like bake with you. It should be really fun. But before we get started, I do want to show you my outfit. Hold on. It is so, oh, it just got really dark. This is probably one of my favorite outfits right now, and my room is trash. Like, I have to like, this is a fire hazard. Like, how, hold on, focus in. How cute is this outfit? So I got this white top here. I got this from TJ Maxx, so that probably doesn't help you. And then I got these jeans here, these mom jeans. These are from Rue 21. I think they're so cute. Like, these are like the mom jeans I've always wanted but never have been able to find. And then I got these shoes down here. They're also from Rue 21. They're just like some white sneakers. But I'm obsessed with this outfit. Right now I'm gonna go ahead to Giant Eagle. I think everybody has a Giant Eagle, right? Or is that like only a Western Pennsylvania thing? I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna go pick up some cookie mix. By the way, it started snowing this morning. I am not happy about this. Now, granted, I should know it's coming, but I walked out in yoga, like capris and like a tank top, and I don't know, I was not a happy camper. Oh, that is so cold. I should definitely have a winter coat on, but I refuse to get out any of my winter clothes because I am currently in denial that it's even happening. When I was young, I fell in love with used to old hands, man, that was enough. And my friends said, I know you love her, but it's over me. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. Step 1. Inside, got my head in a mess. Girl, I can tell you something when I said I'm leaving and not coming back. So I just got to the store, but before we head in, I do want to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored. I'm so excited that the Drop app is sponsoring today's video. It's honestly such an easy app. I don't understand why everyone just doesn't have it. So basically for me, I am a credit card shopper. Like, I just swipe and swipe and swipe, and sometimes I forget like how much I'm actually spending. But what's nice about Drop is the more money you spend, the more points you earn, and you can redeem those points in for gift cards. So it's like super easy. So the more money you spend, the more points you get, and then you actually get money back in gift cards. So it's awesome because you're winning gift cards to, you know, Starbucks, you're earning gift cards for Sephora and all of your other favorite stores. So it's so easy. Like, I literally just don't understand why everyone just doesn't have this app. Actually, I also wanted to let you guys know that there's a giveaway today. So if you use code RAINE whenever you sign up for the Drop app, you will automatically be entered to win a $5 Starbucks gift card. We are giving away 100 $5 Starbucks gift cards, which is awesome. So all you have to do is go on, fully sign up, hook your credit card up to it, and, you know, just start shopping away. It is so easy, and I'm really thankful that Drop is sponsoring today's video. So with that being said, sign up, and now let's go shopping. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Okay, so I just got back with all of my goodies. Oh my gosh, let's do a little like grocery haul. I got some eggs because I need 1 egg for the recipe. I got some vegetable oil because we don't have any and it was needed. And then I got some like this Betty Crocker peanut butter cookie mix. And then the last thing that I got It's undeniable that these are the best cookies. So I guess like you don't really, you bake them, but you don't really like make them because they're already pre-made. But I got these because, oh, these are my favorite cookies ever. So I just established that we don't have a big cooking bowl. So we're gonna have to do it in here. Guys, I'm so hype. Peanut butter cookies are one of my favorites. So I'm very, very, very excited. A tablespoon, perfect, of water. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Don't judge me, I am using the spray kind, but the only ingredient in this is vegetable oil, so it should work. Please don't judge me, I am not a chef. Last is the egg. And then just mix it up. I'm gonna use one of these to just try to mix this all up. Peanut butter cookies are just like, they're difficult mainly because like, they're not, it's not like a cake mix. Like it's like a thick, like it's really hard to mix, I feel like. I'm just gonna use my hands. Oh gosh, this was a bad idea. This was a very bad idea. Coming along. It is coming along, ma'am. Perfect. Okay, so now I need to get these out of here. Oh my gosh, they're so small. I didn't know they were gonna be this small. Like, I love this. It's a little baby cookie. Okay, so I was really, really hoping I was just going to be able to put these all on one tray. I'm not gonna be able to do that. I'm gonna have to put it on more than one. These look so, well, they're going to look good. Right now, they just look like frozen pieces of dough. So now I need to figure out, where am I gonna put this? Where am I gonna put the other cookies? This is an actual dilemma because I think we only have one cookie sheet. Never mind, I found one. So this one's going in for 10 to 12 minutes. This one's going in for like 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to make like bigger cookies, I feel like. I may or may not have just realized that I didn't spray the pan. So now I have to take all of these off to spray the pan and then do this again. I had to do bigger cookies because I have a limited amount of trays. I can't imagine them coming out bad because I made them bigger than what they were supposed to. The one thing you guys should know about me is that I suck at cooking or baking or really anything that has to do with instructions. It's really not my forte. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Now we wait. Okay, supposedly the cookies are done. We're gonna go check them. There's nothing holding me back. I mean, they look done, but they're not like big. Aren't they supposed to be? Maybe they're just supposed to be tiny little bites. I thought they were supposed to be bigger. Okay, so it's been like, oh no, it's snowing outside. This is so sad. But it's been a half an hour since I baked cookies, even though these are still like really hot. Not bad, not bad. So thank you guys so much for, I don't know, just hanging out with me. I feel like there was like no real purpose behind this video. It was just kind of fun to like hang out with you guys. And that's what I've been doing recently is I really just don't have any purpose for my vlogs anymore. I just kind of take you guys around like with me throughout my day and it's performing really good. You guys seem to really like it. And I mean, that's like, I don't know, it just makes me really happy that like you guys like don't even need me to like do anything. I don't have to go out and like do anything crazy or extravagant or like be a Jake Pauler. Like I just be myself and I just hang out in my apartment and you guys just seem to love it. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have Vlogmas coming up very soon. It's my very first ever attempt at Vlogmas, plus I work a 40-hour-a-week job. So this is gonna be very crazy, very busy. I'm hoping that I can do it successfully. But definitely hit the subscribe button for that, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.